Sarah! Wendell! Do you copy?
We're here, Vic.
Just buttoning a few things up. Keep your eyes peeled.
All right, music to my ears. The sooner the better. We're running uncomfortably low on fuel.
Straight.
You guys have to see this!
Keep them lit, guys. We're bringing her around. Solid work, bro. We're wrapping up down here, and then we'll head to you.
That's not good. We're almost out of fuel.
Sarah! Wendell! What happened?
Wendell? When do you copy? What was that? Wendell!
Anybody copy? Hey!
Sarah, I just want to say, if I don't make it out of this, you make the worst bear I ever tasted in my life. But I still love you anyway.
What are you doing, Wen?
This was better than the Marines.
Wen? We're coming. Hang on!
Hey! We need those lights! Now! Do you copy? Sarah! Wendell!
All right, we're flying blind. She's coming down whether we like it or not. Everyone hold on!
Where is it?
Please, Scott. Nose up! Nose up!
We done?
With